Hey guys, so if you have the question if the Google Pixel 9 have a wireless charging, yes it has, but what I've read here on Reddit, that many people run into the issue with the wireless charging. Maybe this is going to be just a software update, maybe it's a faulty product, I got no idea. But the person wrote, last night was the first time using my Pixel 9, and through the night I was working because it kept acting like it was being set on a charger, then removed rapidly. I took the phone out of the case and there was no difference. So yeah. And the wireless worked on S21, S20 in my Pixel 8 Pro, but definitely not the charger. And some of it got it good, but yeah, you are going to get the wireless charging for your Google Pixel 9. So have a great day and goodbye.